Today, we're walking to Jessie Taylor Seafood to see if the place is worth the hype. I want two of these ones too, this little one.
Is that any good?
Yeah, it's red snapper, man. First time here?
No, I've been here, but I never got that one.
Okay, what type of fish you normally buy? Your family is Jessie's.
Yeah.
How long have they been here? I know this has been here for like 100 years or something like that.
Since like 1939.
Oh, that's a long time.
3 generations.
Washington, D.C., known for power, politics, and monuments. But just a few steps away from all of that, there's a place that tells a completely different story. You can spend $100 at a fancy seafood restaurant in D.C., or you can come here to the seafood market and eat just as good for way less. This is the historic fish market at the Wharf, home to some of the oldest seafood businesses in the United States. And right here is Jessie Taylor Seafood. For decades, this spot has been serving locals, workers, and visitors long before the luxury buildings behind it ever existed. It's raw, it's unfiltered, and it's a piece of old Washington, D.C. that still lives today. Today, we are stepping inside Jessie Taylor Seafood to see what makes this space special, and is it worth the hype in modern DC? Right now, we are one of the oldest seafood spots in the United States of America. This place has been in operation for 200 years. From the live jumbo crabs, we go all the way. Then we turn around to purchase fish, try to descale the fish, kill the, all that good stuff. My back is hurting. I mean, they have all kinds of fish, man. What's going on, boss? How's it going? That's your biggest size snapper, right? This one. You don't have like the big ones. Okay. I mean, it's up to you. Do you guys want to do like individual fish? Like, how do you want it? You want, can you eat a whole fish? About this size. Let me see, what does 3 of this weigh, please? Uh-huh.
Is that any good?
Yeah, it's red snapper, man. First time here?
No, I've been here, but I never got that one.
Okay, what type of fish you normally buy?
I always get this one. I'm not sure what you call it, but I kind of like it.
Oh, okay.
You got a lot of meat on it.
It's the pampanos or something like that.
Yeah, the bone doesn't have much bone on it.
Oh, okay. This one is the full bone. No, put them together. Don't worry. I want 2 of these ones too. This little one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna bag them up.
Yeah. It's what?
$56.90.
You know what? There's no harm in. Let's add 2 tilapia. Where's your tilapia? Let's see that too. There's no harm in eating fish. This is the one you look for bole, Abi. Let me grab 2 of this too. Crazy.
$24.
Yeah, the 2.
What do you call this one? Rockfish. Yeah. How much a pound? $10.99. Yeah, let me have 3 of them.
How many? 3. $8 altogether. He's going to YouTube.
You're Jessie or no?
You told me Noah.
Oh, Noah. Okay. What role do you play here? How long you guys been here?
So I'm just a regular. So I'm working here part time right now. I actually go to college.
You go to college around here?
No, you know where Salisbury is?
Maryland?
Yeah, Maryland.
Like Eastern Shore, Maryland?
Yeah.
That's where you go to?
Yeah, that's where I live.
Oh, okay. So you just come here for the weekend or what?
Yeah, my family actually owns this business, so I work here.
Your
like,
family's
part-time.
Jesse's.
Yeah.
How long have they been here? I know this has been here for like 100 years or something
Yeah,
like that.
since like 1939.
Oh, that's a long time.
3 generations.
And where'd you guys get the fish from? I know it's not from the Potomac.
Fish, we get it shipped from a lot of places.
Okay.
Some from overseas, some from like in the U.S.
Okay. So there's no fresh catch here or anything like that.
I mean, we got catfish, rockfish, all the red snapper comes in fresh.
Okay. Yeah.
And
So
same for the.
so it's
salmon.
just it's been passed on. You're like, what generation are you? The fourth one or what?
So I would be.
Like.
So I'm the fourth.
Oh, you're the fourth. Okay. And business has been good pretty much. It looks like a monopoly here. It looks like everywhere is Jesse's.
Yeah, so right here, you see where you can see the river. That used to be Captain White's. About 2 or 3 years ago, I guess they went out of business or something happened, and they just got drifted away. So this is two big barges, and those are also barges.
Oh, okay. So they're floating.
Yeah. So some days when the tide will be like way up here.
Oh.
If it's low, you'll be looking down, looking up at you.
Oh, really nice. So this part is where the fish is, and like it's cooked. That's cooked food.
That's all cooked food.
Okay. No problem. You said your name was what again?
Noah.
Noah. My name is Jay. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet
All
you.
right. Thank you.
We can take one, two.
We have to wait in line though. You have to fight for airtime. What's going on? So where's the line, please? Where's the line?
Right here.
Okay. It goes this way or which way? I don't remember the breakdown. What was what? I think the first one was 50 something and the other one
That
was
was 24.
24. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
The left hand. Wow.
I don't think you guys know how much fish this is. It's a lot of fish. Grab from there and cook it over here. What are you here for? To buy fish or what? I said you're here to buy fish or you're just here for?
I'm just here to like hang out, you know.
Oh, okay. You eat fish?
Nah.
Not as much as you should.
Yeah.
What are you, like a college student or what?
Oh, I'm just yeah, I'm gonna be a college student.
Okay, which university are you going to?
York.
York. Okay. All right.
Clam cow.
And what is this supposed to be? Something very nice? I doubt it.
Cajun.
Okay.
But we sell live crabs. We cook them free. Got crab legs, shrimp, scallops cooked free. Females have the capital. They have the egg. Males have the monument. and they're heavy. Yeah. And if you buy here, we cook free. Once you buy here, it only takes 15 minutes to cook. Females have like the egg, make them sweeter. And the dock, 200 years old. They've been fishing here since 1795. Shoot, this place been established, Jessie Taylor, since 1939. Like this market, like I've been here only 13 years. I sold a lot of crabs, seen a lot of crabs. Like the biggest crab we get down there. We get crawfish. We get stuff from all oceans. I'm already stuttering here. But if you yeah, the Capitol right here. Yeah, I had it good at first. I ain't gonna lie. And then Monument on the Mill. Yeah.
1 second. Okay.
Monument and then the Capitol building.
Okay. And that's how you differentiate between the two.
Yeah, like, but you American crab, you get it from New York all the way down to Texas. All of them look like this on the bottom. Anywhere else, like overseas, you can get red crab. I don't know how theirs look.
So the blue one, the one with the red fin, is it female?
Nah, male. Male got the blue claw.
Okay.
Females got the red tips.
Okay.
Yup, they got like fingernail polish. Nah. Yeah, this place had crabs over 100 years almost. We got contacts everywhere. We buy stuff from every ocean. We get stuff from like everywhere, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, West Coast crabs, a little bit of everywhere. It costs a lot to run this place. Yeah, I do. I got Instagram. My Instagram is Ron Marley 101. RON Marley 101. You know Bob Marley?
Yeah.
It's like,
one of them.
yeah.
So like it's great grandfather.
Yeah. Something like that. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yes, sir.
Put him in the frame. Oh yeah, that's the fish that we got from the Wharf. We're trying to see if we can replicate the $100 place they do at your DC local restaurants. So let's go. Let's see how that turns out. So what do we pay for that fish? I think it was like $80. It doesn't matter how we do it. I'll move it. You can spend $100 at a fancy restaurant in DC, or you can come here to the Wharf for half the price.